Bacteria are a type of microorganism. Micro meaning very small, and organism meaning living thing. Bacteria, like other types of microorganism, can only be seen under a microscope. Bacteria are all around us, and while some can be harmful, some are very useful to humans. In fact, our bodies are home to trillions of helpful bacteria. They help us to digest food and absorb nutrients in our intestines. Furthermore, bacteria are also used in the fermentation process in many different types of food. For example, yogurt, cheese, and soy sauce. Bacteria have been found to be very resilient. Scientists have located bacteria in the deepest areas of the Earth's crust and on radioactive waste.